Hello, friends! In this new chapter, the fun is going to get even bigger and better. Time to guess where we are. You can come down a giant slide. You can swim, you can play. A day spent here is always fun. Can you guess where we are today? A. Water park. B. Movie theater. C. Museum. Yes! We are at the water park today.
Yay! I can't wait to get on a water slide.
In today's lesson, we will learn about area. Area means the amount of space that is taken up or occupied by a two-dimensional shape or surface. Look at the images. The blue portions represent the area of the triangle. The green represents the area of the square, and the yellow of the rectangle.
A square grid paper helps to show us the area occupied. Each square in this square grid is equal to 1 unit. There are altogether 16 squares in the grid. The area of the entire grid is 16 units. If I cover half the squares with blue tiles, the area covered by the blue tiles will be 8 units.
Different shapes can also have the same area. The figures X, Y, Z in the image are of different shapes, but they all occupy the same area used by 4 squares. Therefore, X, Y, and Z have the same area. Can you say which figure has a greater area? The red square or the green rectangle?
The rectangle occupies 15 square units, and the square occupies 9 square units. The area of the rectangle is greater than the square.
Look at these two shapes. In the blue shape, 4 units are occupied by half squares. 2 halves are the same as 1 full square. 4 halves are the same as 2 full squares. So the area of the blue shape is 2 plus 2. That is 4 square units. In the yellow shape, we can see 4 square units and 2 half-square units. That adds up to 4 squares plus 1 square. That equals to 5 square units.
Let's explore some more different shapes and their area. Here are 2 same shapes that have a different area. Shape A has an area of 4 square units. Shape B has an area of 9 square units. Here are 2 different shapes that have the same area. Shape A has an area of 12 square units. Shape B also has an area of 12 square units.
Water parks are usually very big, with many slides, pools, and lots of people.
That means water parks cover a large area. More area equals to more fun.
That's right, Iggy. We'll meet you back at the water park for the next lesson. Don't forget the quiz before that.